The 2026 Jeep Recon is 100% electric, but can it really dominate the off-road world like a true Jeep? Let's find out. Welcome to Bike Zone, where we dive into the machines redefining adventure and mobility. Today's focus is the Jeep Recon, an all-electric SUV built to carry Jeep's legendary off-road spirit into the electric future. Electric evolution of Jeep DNA. The Jeep Recon stays true to classic Jeep design while embracing modern electric styling. Its boxy shape, wide stance, and upright profile reflect strong off-road character. Signature-led lighting, rugged body lines, and removable doors maintain the authentic Jeep feel, proving that electrification doesn't mean losing identity. All-electric power and off-road performance. Designed as a fully electric off-roader, the Jeep Recon is expected to feature a powerful dual-motor setup with all-wheel drive. Instant electric torque enhances rock crawling, hill climbs, and low-speed trail control. Advanced traction management systems will allow precise power delivery across sand, mud, snow, and rocky terrain. Battery, range, and charging capability. The Jeep Recon is anticipated to offer a balanced driving range suitable for both daily driving and weekend adventures. Fast charging support will enable quick recharges on the road, while battery protection and waterproofing ensure reliability during extreme off-road conditions. Trail-rated technology. Built with Jeep's legendary off-road standards in mind, the Recon is expected to carry the Trail-rated badge. Features such as adjustable ride height, locking differentials, underbody skid protection, and off-road drive modes will help the Recon tackle challenging trails with confidence. Interior design and digital experience. Inside, the Jeep Recon blends rugged durability with modern comfort. The cabin is designed to be tough yet refined, using durable materials and smart layouts. Large digital displays, advanced infotainment, and off-road camera systems provide real-time trail visibility and vehicle data, enhancing control in demanding environments. Safety and driver assistance. The Recon will include a comprehensive suite of safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, collision alerts, lane assistance, and 360-degree cameras. These systems enhance safety both on highways and in off-road scenarios where visibility is critical. Sustainability meets adventure. As an electric SUV, the Jeep Recon represents a new direction for eco-friendly adventure. Zero tailpipe emissions combined with off-road capability make it an ideal choice for explorers who want to enjoy nature while reducing environmental impact. Final thoughts. The Jeep Recon is more than just an electric SUV. It's a bold statement that off-road freedom and electric mobility can coexist. With rugged capability, modern technology, and Jeep's iconic heritage, the Recon is set to redefine electric adventure vehicles. Stay tuned to Bike Zone for more electric SUV reviews, off-road innovations, and future mobility insights.